Ever stared at your phone, hovering over that Pay Now button, and wondered, wait, am I missing out on savings here? Specifically, if you're using Paylater by Grab for a FavePay transaction, can you also snag that sweet merchant cashback? It's a question that's probably crossed the minds of many savvy shoppers out there, trying to maximize every single ringgit, dollar, or peso. Let's break down this multi-layered payment puzzle. We've got Paylater by Grab, which is essentially a buy now pay later service offered through the Grab app. It allows you to defer payments for your purchases, often without interest if paid on time, and it's super convenient for managing your immediate cash flow. Then, we have FavePay, a popular digital payment platform widely used in Southeast Asia, known for its aggregation of deals, discounts, and, of course, cashback offers from various merchants. And finally, the star of our show, merchant cashback, that direct reward you get back from a store for making a purchase. So, when these three titans of digital transactions meet, Paylater by Grab, FavePay, and merchant cashback, what happens? Can they coexist in a symphony of savings, or do they clash like an ill-fated opera? The short answer, in most cases, is yes, you absolutely can use your merchant cashback when you pay with Paylater by Grab on your FavePay transaction. Here's why this delightful synergy usually works. When you initiate a payment through FavePay, regardless of whether you choose to use Paylater by Grab as your underlying payment method, the transaction is ultimately recognized by the merchant as a FavePay transaction. FavePay, in turn, is responsible for facilitating the cashback mechanism. Think of Paylater by Grab as simply the funding source for your FavePay payment. It's how the money gets from you, eventually, to Fave, and then to the merchant. The merchant's cashback offer is tied to the successful completion of a FavePay transaction, not necessarily to the specific way you've financed that FavePay transaction. As long as the FavePay transaction is successfully processed and meets the merchant's criteria for cashback, e.g., minimum spend, you should be eligible to receive it. However, and this is a crucial caveat, always double-check the specific terms and conditions. While the general rule holds true, there might be rare instances where a particular merchant has very specific exclusions for certain payment methods. For example, a merchant might state that cashback is only valid for payments made directly via credit card or debit card, and not for buy now pay later services. These instances are uncommon, but a quick glance at the fine print on the Fave app or the merchant's promotional material can save you from disappointment. Another point to consider is how the cashback is credited. Typically, your merchant cashback will be credited to your Fave account, not directly to your Grab or Paylater account. You can then use this Fave cashback for future FavePay transactions, effectively giving you a discount on your next purchase. In essence, Paylater by Grab and FavePay with merchant cashback are generally a fantastic combination for the savvy spender. You get the flexibility of deferred payments, the convenience of digital transactions, and the immediate gratification of cashback. It's a triple win that makes your money work harder for you. So next time you're about to make that FavePay transaction, go ahead and confidently use Paylater by Grab. Chances are that merchant cashback is still waiting for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.